Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to Social Science class. Today we will be talking about our first chapter, that is India, our country. Under this chapter we will be studying about neighboring countries of India, states and union territories, and lastly physical division of India. I assume that all of you know the 7 continents of the world, isn't it? Yes, so just to recall, the 7 continents of the world are Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Asia, Europe, North America and South America. So these are the 7 continents of the world. And which continent does India belong to? Yes, India belongs to the Asian continent. Now let's get into the chapter. So what do you think is the other name of India? Or how is India known or addressed as? Do you all know? I assume that you know. India is also known as or addressed as Bharat or Hindustan. These are the 2 names given to India in the past. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. India measures about 3,213 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Okay, the 6 larger countries apart from India are Russia, Canada, United States of America, China, Brazil and Australia. So these are the other 6 countries which are larger in terms of area. Secondly, we have to focus on the point that India is the 2nd most populous country in the world after China. So China stands in the 1st place in the population, whereas India stands the 2nd place in the population. So this is a small introduction to the concept of India. Now let's get into the chapter. Now I'll ask you a question. Like you all have neighbors at home, isn't it? You all have neighbors in your surroundings? Yes. In the same way, we also have neighboring countries of India. So there are 9 neighboring countries of India which are Afghanistan and Pakistan in northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in east, and in south we have 2 countries, that is Maldives and Sri Lanka. So these are the 9 neighboring countries of India. As an activity, I want all of you to draw the outline map of India and name all the 9 neighboring countries of India by using different color pens or color pencils. Okay students, now we will look into the states and union territories of India. So before that, let me give you a situation. Imagine there are 120 students in grade 4 and there is only one teacher who is appointed to look as a class teacher. So, is it possible for the teacher to keep track on all these students? No, it's not possible because it becomes difficult for the teacher to keep a track of each student. So, in the same way, as we know, India is a populous country. We have lot of populations. So, because of this reason, the government has made 28 states and 8 union territories. So, we can say presently in India we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So, now coming to what do you mean by a state? A state is a division of Indian constituency where the government is the head of the state, where a chief minister will be appointed to look after the people of a particular state. For example, in Karnataka, that is our state, and Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is the CM. So in same ways we have different Chief Minister of all those 28 states. Now coming back to what is Union Territory. Union Territory is an administrative unit where the central government will have the power of that particular place. So this is about the state and union territories. So as a responsible citizens of India, we should know all the 28 states and union territories with their capitals. So as an activity, I request all of you in the same map as you did for the neighboring countries, in the same map mark or locate all the 28 states and union territories. Okay, now we will look into the physical division of India. India is known for its diverse topography, so which attracts a lot of travelers and researchers to come to India. India consists of mountains, plains, plateaus, coastal plains, desert and islands. So these form the physical divisions of India. There are 6 physical divisions of India. Firstly, we have the northern mountains. Second, the northern plains. Third, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Fourth, we have the southern plateau. The fifth one, we have the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. And lastly, we have the islands. So all this we have studied in our online class in detail. Now, as an activity, as the previous one, in the same map, you have to mark all the physical divisions of India by using different color pens or color pencils. Thus, in today's class, we have learnt about the first chapter, that is India, our country. Under this, we have learnt about the 9 neighbouring countries of India, 28 states and 8 union territories, and lastly, we studied about the 6 physical division of India. So, that's it for today. Have a great day. See you all in the next class.